tubaab bi jaaxle ba jaaxle dafa ni ko Bamba mu ne ko Mbàkke mu ne ko yaa ni woon doo tooñ sa borom te doo tooñ sa morom te waxtu julli jot soo julli waxtu wi di nga tooñ sa borom te bu julli sunu gaal gi ñu tooñ Bamba sànni dal ba géej tubaab ba jaaxle. Do you hear me, Father Bamba? Did they hear you, Father Bamba? Do you hear me, Father Bamba? Did they hear you, Father Bamba? We didn't know who you'd become until the world was bad. But now the story of your people can be shouted out loud. Your faith, your sorrow in your journey, a tale between God and a man. Your prayers, our prayers, oh no, they will not be ignored. Do you hear me, Father Bamba? Did they hear you, Father Bamba? Do you hear me, Father Bamba? Did they hear you, Father Bamba? Bamba is a name of the grand marabout who introduced the religion, Muslim religion, in our country. He was really fighting to preserve our liberty. The man in me changes every time I read your sight. My song that you makes me survive in this crazy world. Now I can go anywhere, 'cause I know you'll be there. We know your pain will always make us stronger, Mame Bamba. Di anani hadi musim madina yow naan yaa ngi ci diina every night every morning they are sick and they are crying. You may be gone but your spirit will remain and this day until the end of time. You face your sorrow in your journey, a tale between God and man. Your prayer, our prayer, for no they will not be ignored. Every night, every moment, they are singing and they are crying. Every night, every moment, they are singing and they are crying. Every night, every moment, they are singing and they are crying. Your sorrow in your journey, contained between God and man. Your prayer, our prayer, for no